Hi guys, welcome to this video. This video will show you how to turn ChatGPT into the ultimate high-end niche finder. But more than that, I'm not going to just help you find a high-end niche. I'm actually going to show you who to target, and what that will do, it will mean that you get a high-end niche and you will actually be able to get traffic to it without all of the competition. So I'm really excited to show you this. It's all done through ChatGPT. It has to be done in a certain way, so I'm going to show you that now. I hope you enjoy it. If you do give us a thumbs up. Do consider subscribing if you're interested in building income streams with AI. That's what Beat the 9 to 5 is about. I got started nearly 20 years ago. That's when I beat the 9 to 5. But when I got started, there wasn't AI, there wasn't ChatGPT, and a lot of the stuff now that you can do is so much quicker with ChatGPT and AI tools. So I'm looking forward to showing you. I've put a link in the description. Do check it out if you want a free 100 prompts that will get you started. The 100 prompts cover everything that you can think of. Pretty much your main prompts for anything to do with affiliate marketing and building your own products. So do check it out. It will give you 100 key AI prompts that I think everyone should know when trying to make money online with AI. Well worth a look, totally free, there's no catch. Check it out, it's in the link below. Okay, so let's get straight on with how you can turn ChatGPT into a niche finding monster, and a few things to look at. So first off, I'm doing high-end niches. The reason being is we're picking an Amazon affiliate niche as an example, but you could actually use this to find niches generally. It doesn't have to be Amazon affiliate. High end, obviously, because you're going to make more commission. And here's the prompt. I want to find a high-end niche for an Amazon affiliate site that has the following characteristics: high commission rates and large payouts, a focus on products priced at $500 or more. It's going to make far more affiliate commission. Steady search volume, really important. The niche should have consistent demand, evidenced by monthly search volume and buyer intent keywords. Low to moderate competition. You're never going to get a good niche. Is very unlikely to get really low competition because there's going to be people in it. But identify niches where it's possible to rank via SEO with well structured optimized content. Buyer intent keywords. Generate a list of keywords that indicate someone is ready to purchase. Best product, top rated product, where to buy. Scalability. The niche should have room to expand into sub niches or related product categories for growth. Provide a list of 5 niche ideas, examples of high ticket products, keyword ideas and content strategy. And here we go. AI, ChatGPT has gone off and given me 5 niche ideas. Home theatre systems, projectors, surround sound systems, 4K TVs. It's given me luxury watches. Sorry guys, got messed up. Here we go. Luxury watches like Swiss watches, Rolex and Omega. Obviously high prices there. It's given me high-end kitchen appliances, espresso machines, stand mixers, smart refrigerators. It's given me high performance fitness equipment, treadmills, home gyms, rowing machines. And it's given me premium photography gear, okay, like DSLR cameras, lenses and drones. Now any of them are good, but the one I picked was drones. And what you can then do is a little bonus prompt for you is pick a niche that you like the look of, and a little prompt like this, something like this. Take this niche, and I've put drones, advanced drones with high resolution cameras. Give me the keywords and the specific people I can target and pair with the correct products, so I get the right person, the right product, and will be able to rank without a ton of competition. And what that does is it then takes the niche that we know is high end, but we don't want to have to compete with everyone. So what that prompt does is give me the exact groups of people to target. Advanced drones with high resolution cameras. It's telling me, okay, here's an idea of the products, DJI Inspire, and you can see here Mavic 3 Pro, $2,149 a drone, 200 bought in the past month. Okay, so they're selling, and you can see these high priced items. It's given me some keywords: best drones for professional photography, high resolution camera drone for filmmakers, and it's giving me the people. Okay, so professional photographers and videographers, you could target them, and you can target all of these from one site, by the way. Real estate agents and surveyors, they need for detailed mapping and property inspections. So instead of competing with everyone, check this out: best drones for real estate photography. Now ChatGPT is estimating 2,800 searches a month. Doesn't mean that I would back that up with a keyword tool, but it looks promising. Okay, so make sure that you back it up with a good keyword tool. But you can see here, drones for property inspections would be a fantastic niche. Okay, outdoor enthusiasts and adventure bloggers. Okay, so these ones: DJI Mini 4 Pro, there's the products. Best drones for outdoor adventures, 2,200 searches. Compact drones for hiking and travel, 1,400. Top drones for FPV action videos, so like those sort of Red Bull or snowboarding or things like that, surfing, for action videos, and people will buy. Farmers, best drones for farming, drones for crop monitoring and spraying, and again you can target those people. Search and rescue teams, best drones for search and rescue, thermal drones for emergency services, top rated DJI drones for disaster response. And there we go. So what we've done in one foul swoop is we've picked a high-end niche that we know makes money, we know people are buying them, we know they're popular products, and instead of competing with everyone online and just going for people that are buying drones for fun, or you've then got 4 or 5 groups of people that you can target that have the money, that are looking for drones, and you can then pair the product to the right person at the right time and make money. And that is exactly how you turn ChatGPT into the ultimate high-end niche finder. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks ever so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Do subscribe if you're interested in this stuff. I've got a lot more coming up, and I've got some live workshops coming as well. Do grab your free 100 prompts below. There's no catch. You'll get them straight away sent to your email. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for watching, guys.